Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbook. So, what does software play in education and in industry? So, for education, it shifts from maths to physics, and in industry, solving complex problems faster. So, we should probably talk about the elephant in the room, which is generative AI. I think, in my opinion, it's not a replacement for the engineer. It's just an enhancement tool. So, yeah, note, as of recording, AI software such as generative AI can solve a lot of problems. However, it can be expensive, both in terms of API and mistakes, because AI does hallucinate. So if you know what you're doing, you know your foundations and your fundamentals, using the tool to accelerate your calculations and double checking your calculations, sure. So I put down it's a tool, not a replacement for the engineer. And I think for mechanical, it will never replace mechanical engineering. I think it will accelerate your processes, but it won't replace you. For software, you won't be coding anymore, but you'll be managing the, AI, making sure the AI correctly codes. So it shifts from doing the actual labor of coding to become, shifts from labor to management, I suppose. In terms of mechanical, I would say it shifts from manually typing out your equations to verifying it 10 times. So, in critical designs, this may be helpful, where you need a different set of eyes, or digital ones for that matter. Okay, so for explanation, it's just the long-winded version of the summary. So, maths to physics and solving it in a short time. You can pause the video and read it, but it's just going over the same stuff. Before we leave, I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. Alright, you can do this by using the snipping tool. If you never used it before, you can follow these instructions. If you're on a Mac, just use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on the icon on your taskbar. If it's not there, go into Windows Search, type in snipping tool, click on that icon, open it, click on video option, click on new, and then from there, left click and drag the rectangle and then cover the YouTube screen. Then hit the start button on your snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square to stop recording, then save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.